In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a suspicious item or seller on an online marketplace for your safety and peace of mind. Now, more than ever, online shopping is part of our daily lives. However, it's important to know how to protect yourself from potential fraud. Whether you're dealing with a suspicious transaction or have spotted a counterfeit item, knowing how to report such issues is crucial. The first step is to navigate to the seller's profile or the listing of the item in question. This can usually be found by clicking on the item seamlessly from your purchase history or directly searching for the item or seller on the platform. Once you're on the seller's page or the item listing, look for an option that says Report Item or Report Seller. This is typically located somewhere on the main page of the listing, often near the product description or on the top right-hand side, depending on the platform's design. Clicking on this option will redirect you to a form or a page where you can report the issue. At this stage, it's important to choose the reason for your report. The platform will often offer a list of options that might include fraud, counterfeit, or other related concerns. Select the one that most accurately describes the issue you're experiencing. It's important to ensure that your selection clearly matches the nature of the problem to facilitate a smoother review process by the platform support team. After selecting the appropriate reason for your report, you will likely be prompted to provide additional details. This part is crucial. Be as descriptive and specific as possible. Describe what seems suspicious, providing any evidence such as screenshots, dates, and any communication you've had with the seller that might highlight your concerns. The more detailed your report, the better the team will be able to understand and act upon your grievance. Once you've filled out the form with all the necessary details, it's time to submit your report. Double check everything. Make sure that the information you've provided is accurate and complete. After submission, most platforms will acknowledge receipt of your report, sometimes through an automatic email. Keep this acknowledgement as reference in case you need to follow up on the status of your report. Reporting a seller or item is a valuable tool in helping maintain a safe and trustworthy marketplace. By taking these steps, you're not only looking out for yourself, but also helping other potential buyers. Keeping these practices in mind will ensure your online shopping experiences are safe and enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to stay informed and vigilant while shopping online.